Hello everyone, we are going to solve 2 power x by 4 power x is equals to 16 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 2 power x by 4 I can write it as 2 square whole power x is equals to 16. Now according to exponent rule x power m power n is equals to x power mn or x power n power m. So I can write 2 power x by 2 power 2x is equals to 16. Now another exponent rule, x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So 2 power x minus 2x is equals to 16. So 2 power x minus 2x is minus x and 16 we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 or in terms of exponent as 2 power 4. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So if I'll multiply with negative signs, both side x is equals to minus 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.